Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about cross join in structure query language. The cross join combines row from the first table with each row from the second table. Like an example, we have the orders table and the customers table. Now to perform the cross join, we have to write select star from the orders table cross join the customers table, or also we can write select star from orders table comma customers table. So in both the ways we can perform the cross join, where the row of the orders table will be combined with the row of the customers table. Like an example, we have the orders table and the customers table in the database. Now to perform cross join between these two tables, we have to write select star from the first table orders, and then we have to write cross join and then the second table customers. Now if I just execute that query, and you can see we have performed cross join between the customer table and the orders table, where we have combined the record from the order table with the record from the customer table. And also we can perform the same operation and we can write select star from orders comma customers. So if I just execute that, we have the same output using the two different syntax. So this is the way we can perform the cross join between two tables, where we can combine the row from the first table with each row from the second table. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.